Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we're about to check out Red Velvet Cosmic. Oh, wait, hold up. It was playing. I saw the teaser on TikTok, and it gave me like, wait, let's talk about. First of all, be sure to check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Be sure to become a member. It's only $1 to become a member. We're reacting to like shows. We're reacting to like first listens over there. Mostly, if anything gets blocked here on YouTube, that's a reaction. I'll upload there for free. I was checking out this and I'm like, whoa, I didn't even know those flowers are pulsating. What the hell? You see that? What the hell? First of all, beautiful. This sounds on Midsummer and I love it. This kind of feels cultish. Like, listen, it's a concept, but it's pretty. Give me some Midsummer. Ooh, girl with the red string. What I was gonna say, oh wow, that's such a beautiful, there's gonna be some beautiful shots in this music video. Don't worry, I'm not just looking at the teaser today. I'm just giving an example of what I think. Red Velvet, one of my favorite girl groups of all time. Their comebacks are just always, just so beautiful. I eat it all up each time, no matter what it is. And Red Velvet, when they're on a creepy vibe, is one of my favorite Red Velvets, real talk. Oh, that's so creepy too. This is not even creepy, this is like, weird? No, what is the word for it? I don't know. But I remember the first teaser. Let me see. Wait, hold up. Can I check out the first teaser quickly? This one right here. Wasn't it like all from the past stuff? But they had the la 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 from Ice Cream. Like it feels a bit like in the new world, but also kind of unsettling, but also like, oh my god, nostalgic at the same time. Anyways, Red Velvet always has some unique comebacks and concepts in general. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh, off the bizac. God damn. I'm sorry for stopping, but you know what? I want to hear that drop one more time. Wait, who was that? Was that a guy? Oh. Oh, they've been waiting for him. Oh, hell no. There's some cult shit. Ooh. Low-key would join. Whoa. Oh, they're controlling him with the string. Okay, we're getting ready for something. Oh, they peeping? Oh. Ooh, the progression. That's fire. Huh. Ooh. Riding on your rhythm through the solar system. Okay. Oh, the aesthetic in this whole thing is so beautiful. Cosmic love. Ooh. Hey. The hanging up the dress. Those look pretty, but also I'm like, what is happening? Ooh, I love it when it just stops. I love that feeling. Oh, you hear my dogs? Oh, they were Velvet fans too. Ooh. Oh, I love it when it drops. That bass. The outfits though. Oh my god. When you... Ooh. Oh, what the hell? What are these plants? Oh. There's so much to take in right now. POV. Ah, ooh. Beautiful. Wow. Look at them. This shot's just so beautiful. I didn't know the flowers were pulsating. I like how they're writing the rhythm, like actually the way they sing to the instrumental. Ooh. What does that mean? What is that? It's two girls with long hair and the sun in the middle. Oh, trapped. This boy trapped. What in the ritual? I don't know if it's a ritual. Ooh, she looked like she was about to cry. Aww. Oh wow, these shots are so beautiful. Oh, that's the sun. This shot's very beautiful. This is what reminded me of Midsummer, that one shot right there. Oh, and the freaking vocal. Ooh, dope shot. Oh, she looks so good. Oh, this is hella Midsummer. What the hell is this? Or some type of ish. It's pretty though. The delayed effect too. Oh, hey. Okay, I was gonna say like, if they were a part of this and this was a call, I might join. I'm playing. But this looks a little. It has a weird, creepy vibe, no? And I mean, everything that happened in the music video is shown here too, in a art form right here. Even the flowers with the hands. I gotta look at that again. So it was a boy that fell, right? Does it show a boy falling here? I don't know. They show him like being carried for sure. Interesting. Oh, I think one of my favorite parts when that bass kick in each time. I think it kicks in 3 times in the song. I'm not sure. Could be 2. I think the shot's fired too. It's like they've been waiting for him. Like he's the chosen one or something. Because everybody's happy. Who is that boy? He's the actor. Okay. So these are like prophecies or something? Let me see this. Okay, so like he's attached to the red string which they're pulling. It's 2 different people? Or I don't know. I'm trying to like figure it out. So they're preparing themselves. He's peeping. He's not stopping there now. I like that part where he goes, well, it changes it up a bit too. And then interesting shot here too. Wow. Oh, the nails though. Oh my god. They got their dresses on. Aw, this is so adorable. My god. Riding your rhythm through the solar system. So they're hanging up their dresses. Obviously, there has to be a significance. Ooh, that shit still hit. And their dresses here, their outfits here, fire. You know, I've never watched the movie Midsummer. I've been scared to watch it. But all my friends have. Oh, these are the plant hands with like, they got like nails done or something. Seems like he's trying to escape though, but they won't let him escape. No? Beautiful. I say that each time. I mean, like, literally represents the whole fandom right here. These right here, all behind her. Just like in awe. Like he's running, but they're like, "You're gonna escape?" No. Ooh, the kiss though. The kiss to the middle. I saw that on the teaser. I don't know what this painting means. Ah. One has a black glove. Ooh. These shots are fire too. This one, oh my god, beautiful. He's back. He's the son. Did he? Wait, what happened? Did he die? He got sacrificed? Was he the sacrifice? Was he the sacrifice? I low-key want to participate in one of these things, like the whole little like string things, but I don't want to be a part of something. You know what I'm talking about? You know what? I'm not. You know, curiosity killed the cat. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna say I was curious, but if Red Velvet's there, then maybe. And their album's out, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I'm gonna look at it. I do use Spotify. I don't have a preference for Apple Music, Spotify, but at the moment I've been using Spotify. Red Velvet. Is it an EP mini album? It's an EP. Oh, it's a pretty decently big EP. It seems like, huh? We got. Let me download it first. Cosmic, Sunflower, Last Drop, Love Arcade, Bubble, Night Drive. Ooh, sounds fuego. 6 songs, not too bad, not too bad. Maybe one of these days I need to do like a first listen, and I'll release it on the Patreon as well. Red Velvet's like adds a little bit of sweet, adds a little bit of creepy vibes. Oh, somebody in the comments said that Cosmic is literally the summer version of Psycho. Having both songs reference horror movies is just pure genius. That's true, actually. In fact, it's already a trip. It's a midsummer party vibe. It's boldly elegant, like a little bit creepy. I like a little bit creepy. I don't want to be too creeped out, but a good amount of darkness and creepiness, I think that's always a little nice. It's like adding a little seasoning, you know what I'm saying? I'm riding on your rhythm through the solar system just gets to me. It's on repeat in my head. So shout out to the writers. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Red Velvet's comeback, Cosmic. It's called Cosmic Love. It's Cosmic, right? Yeah, Cosmic. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Patreon. Be sure to tell me who's your bias. Mine's Wendy, but I like them all. Like I've just had, like, from the beginning of their debut, I just chose Wendy and I just stuck with it. I'm pretty loyal, but everyone in Red Velvet's freaking epic and iconic. And tell me your favorite song from Red Velvet, if there is a song. You could tell me multiple. What's your favorite album? I really want to know. Let's get to know each other. Let's connect. My favorite album, ooh, bro, I'm an old school Red Velvet fan. I love Automatic. Dum Dum is such an iconic song too. There's a lot more, bro. Even Bad Boy, oh my god, so good. Anyway, like this video, share this video, and subscribe again. It's your boy Dre, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.